Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn how to write a letter to the principal. See, you have done other formal letters, and the format of those formal letters and this one is slightly bit different. Let us see this letter to the principal, which is also there in the syllabus for class 12th. First of all, we are going to see the format. In this format, first of all, address is written, and this is the address of the principal or the school. So here in this letter we do not write sender's address, which is usually written in other business or official letters. Here we do not write sender's address. Rather, we begin this letter with the address to the receiver, and the receiver's address is that of the principal. So here in this kind of letter, you are supposed to write the principal, then the name of the school, and then name of the city. And once you have completed the address, then you are supposed to write date, and date should be written in the same form you have been using in different other letters. And then comes your subject. Subject should have the subject of the question which is given in the question. That subject you are supposed to write here, and the subject can begin with to request for, because we always write a letter to the principal to request for one or the other thing. So you can begin the subject to request for, and then comes salutation. In other official letters we write dear sir, but because here when we are writing to the principal of the school and we are the student of the school, then we already know that person very nicely, and we feel respectful towards that person. So here we are writing respected sir oblique ma'am. So whatever it is, sir oblique ma'am, you have to use the same. Then comes body or content. In this body or content, you are supposed to write what do you want. First of all, in paragraph 1, you will write your introduction. You are the student of which class of the school, and what is your basic requirement for writing this letter. In paragraph 2, explain the problem which you are facing. And in paragraph 3, you are supposed to rectify the problem or sort out the problem, and what do you wish the principal to do in that case. So that you have to write in paragraph 3. And the letter is completed with signatory, and signatory should be written as yours sincerely, faithfully, or obediently. Here we don't use yours truly, and rather it is written obediently or sincerely. So that's all for the format. Let's see a sample question. You are Ankur, student of APJ Public School, Meerut. You are participating in football tournament at state level, and your midterm exams are coinciding with the same. Write a letter to the principal requesting him to conduct your exams separately before the scheduled exam. So you will begin the letter with the principal, APJ Public School, Meerut. So this is address, then comes date 2nd September 2020. To request for separate midterm exam. So this is the subject you will write here, and then comes salutation, respected sir. Paragraph 1, where you will be introducing yourself. I am Ankur, studying in 11th A4 of your esteemed institution. I have been selected for state level football tournament as the goalkeeper of the team. It's a great opportunity for me. I would like to go for the tournament from 25th September 2020 to 27th September 2020. It can be written like I'm supposed to go for the tournament. But paragraph 2, now the problem which you are facing, here you are supposed to write that. But I'm facing a problem as the dates of the tournament and midterm exam of English and Maths are coinciding. Appearing in exam is also very important for me as I am a meritorious student. Now paragraph 3. What do you wish principal to do? I would be very thankful if I'm allowed to appear for these exams prior to the scheduled dates so that I can bring laurels to the institution by participating in the tournament. So this is what you wish principal to do. Looking forward to a positive response from your side. This is the ending line or the closing line. And the signatory, yours obediently, Ankur, class 11th A4. So this is how you are supposed to write a letter to the principal. It's quite easy. So you must practice it by writing different kinds of letter. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.